In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate Google Calendar with Slack. By the end, you'll have your calendar connected directly inside Slack, so you can see your schedule, respond to invites, and stay on top of meetings without constantly switching tabs. Let's start inside the Slack desktop app. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to use Google Calendar. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Apps. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a bit or click to expand that section. Click on Apps, and a new panel will open where you can search for apps to add to your workspace. In the search bar, type Google Calendar. You should see the Google Calendar app appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to open its details page. On this page, you'll see an option that says Add to Slack. Click that button. Slack will now open a permissions or authorization screen, usually in your browser or in a pop-up window. This page explains what the Google Calendar app will be able to do in your Slack workspace, such as showing events or sending you notifications. Take a quick moment to review it, and when you're comfortable, click Allow. This installs the Google Calendar app into your Slack workspace, so it's available for you and, depending on your settings, possibly your teammates as well. Now that the app is installed, let's connect your personal Google account. Go back to Slack, and in the left sidebar under Apps, you should now see Google Calendar listed. Click on Google Calendar to open it. At the top of the Google Calendar app window in Slack, you'll see a few tabs. Make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where you'll manage your connection and see an overview of your calendar inside Slack. On the Home tab, look for a button or link that says Connect an Account. Click that, and Slack will open a browser window asking you to sign into your Google account. Choose the Google account that holds the calendar you want to use with Slack and enter your login details if prompted. You'll then see another permissions screen from Google explaining what access Slack will have to your calendar. Review the information, and when you're ready, click Allow. Once that's done, your Google Calendar is successfully connected to Slack, and you can start receiving calendar updates, viewing upcoming events, and managing your schedule without leaving Slack.